Hi, good afternoon everyone. Today we will be starting with the Apex Trigger series, in which we will be covering the not only the Apex triggers, multiple scenarios, but also we will be covering the test classes with every Apex trigger that we will be executing. So let's start with this new series, and I hope you would be enjoying this series. Last video is that we covered is in CPQ, and till that video I have generated 200 videos. All of them are in Hindi. Please put message in the comment if you are comfortable in English, that is from today, or you are comfortable in Hindi. So I can go with both language, but I don't know Punjabi or Haryanvi or Telugu or Tamil. So let's start with this. um, Today we will be covering this scenario. As soon as a task is created, uh, a new task is created, we have to set the priority to high. So as the trigger is getting created as it is, so we will be only taking care for insert operation. Now we have two type of operation. One is before operation, after operation. If I talk about before operations happen only when we don't have to make changes to any other record. Let's take an example. We are inserting the task record, and we are updating the field of task only, that is a priority field. So this is only a trigger of field update that we will be playing through it. So let's start with the trigger. So first of all, we will be opening the developer console. So let's open the developer console here. So once the developer console get opened, so let's close this, and I will be opening it in new tab. So in new tab, I have tried to make a new trigger, a new playground for my org, but it hasn't been created till now. It is still in progress. So we have to take care till the time this organization don't get created. We have to work on the previous. So let's close the other triggers. So I will be creating a separate trigger that is on task. So file new, we will be going on the Apex trigger. So here we will be writing trigger on task with priority high. So I'm writing a name in such a way that whenever I will be opening this org, I will be able to fetch the detail of the trigger, what trigger is doing. So I will be putting the task object here because the trigger is on task. So here the task is coming. So since this is clear, we will be writing the trigger on before insert. So we will be using the validation, that is if trigger dot is insert and trigger dot is before. So it is a best practice. We will be following this best practice from the first day itself. If trigger dot is insert and trigger dot is update. So these are the context variables. So next what we will be doing, you all know about the trigger dot new variable. It returned me the current record that is being returned. So I will be writing trigger for task tsk1 colon trigger dot new. So this is the scenario. So as soon as the first record comes, so what I need to check, I need to set the priority to high. So what I will be doing, tsk1 dot priority equal to high. That's it. So as soon as trigger is before is insert and is before, so it should not be is the update, it should be is before. So since it is a before insert trigger, I'm updating the record of it same. So my trigger is done. So let's check this trigger. That is the first scenario. So it is low. So let's test it out first, and then we will be writing the test class for the same. So here is the task button. So I will be creating a new task, and here I'm going to set the priority equal to normal. So it should get, so subject testing for task trigger. So as soon as I relate it to account, so I just, because there is no scenario, just the priority is getting set to high. So as soon as to check it, the priority is setting to high. So now we will be writing a test class for same. So in order to write the test class, what I will be doing, I will be writing a new Apex class. So that is, I will be copying the name. That is, I haven't copied it now. Trigger on task with priority high test. The test class name is this. So as soon as this class is, so I will be writing at the rate is test is the notation that you need to write above the test class. Since I haven't written any method, so just I have given the is test notation. So the run test button is coming here as you are seeing here. So what I will be doing, public static test method 1, public static void, or what I will be doing, void method 1. So this is a method name, and above this method I will be writing at the rate is test. So simply I have done this. So I hope I have done any mistake. So now it is sorted. So what I will be going to do here, I will be creating one task t1 equal to new task. So there are some mandate field that when you create any object, any record in the object. So how we will be going to check it, I will be creating a new task, and here you will be seeing the assign to variable. So let's check the account field, the task field that is assigned to status and priority. These are the three fields that are mandate. So I think priority is good, status is good, just assigned to is not, we are not open. So we will be clicking on open, we will be opening this, and we will be searching on task. So as soon as you are searching the task, you will be able to open the API name for all fields that are available. So these are basically all the record. So we need the assigned to field. So assigned to field is not coming. So I hope that is assigned to is the person who is whose task is assigned to. So I think it is who ID. So let's do it now. Um, Assigned to in task. So we will be checking on check on Google, assigned to field in task API name. I'm 100% sure that it is who ID. So it is owner ID. So let's copy owner ID. So in order to create a owner ID, I need to create a user first. So we will be searching for the code. We need to basically pick on the profile and we need to perform all the operations. Let's do it. Sample code in order to create user in test class. So I search it. So this is, you can pick anything. So this is a simple code that you have to write. That is, you need to pick a user, and further this is the method through which you can copy the things. So I copied it in my test class. So I know that sometimes this happen that Trishu, why you are doing it so much. So just so that everyone is on same page, so I have written it in such a way that a profile and user is basically inserted. So I have created a user, and after creating a user, I am just writing system.run as user. Okay, so you, so here what I will be keeping, So yeah, here we will be writing task t1 equal to new task. This is the first step. T1 dot owner id equal to u dot id. This is the first record. Next is t1 dot second field that we need to populate, that is priority equal to normal, because we need to get set high for it, that is the trigger is doing. And third field is t1 dot, third field that is required on this is basically status equal to in progress. Let's set the status equal to here in progress. So let's save it. So since I need to insert it, insert t1. So let's save this record. So it is saying that now the problem has been fixed. So let's delete it. We don't need it. So this bracket is getting closed. So I will be simply clicking a run test. So field admin is already in progress. So let's save this class first, and then we will be executing the operation. So clicking on run. So we run the test class for it. So what test class got, I think it got field. Let's make it system administrator, because standard users mostly don't have the access in order to make the changes. Let's save it, and let's run this test class again. So here, but now I'm running the test again. So this is failing again. So we got an error, that is duplicate username. The username already exists. So let's change the name of username, that is alias equal to, I haven't added a name field. So name equal to Shyam Mishra. Here so let's keep a username as Shyam Mishra @desktop.com. Let's fix it, because we are doing it, so it is taking a long time, so it is not a worry. So let's see what is the problem here at line number 8. Okay, comma is missing. So let's save it. Now we are getting the error in where your field is not writable. So this field is not writable. So I think first name is writable. So first name is equal to Shyam, and last name is equal to Mishra. So let's save it, and now test the test class if it is running successfully or not. So we will be going on text. Now it has passed. Hopefully it has passed. So let's check on the trigger if it has been covered. So you are seeing the 100% coverage has been achieved. So if you like my video, please share, please like, please subscribe my channel for more interested content. So this was my first video in English. So I hope this made you clarified the concept of apex trigger that we have covered today. Thank you. Thanks everyone.